Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're doing something a little bit different. If you've been following us, you know we've been remodeling Mom's whole garage. And that started with about 3 weeks worth of cleaning out the garage and having a yard sale and all that kind of stuff. And Mom did really good. She was able to get rid of a lot of stuff, but then there was some stuff that she wasn't sure she wanted to get rid of yet.
Well, one of those things was this very ordinary looking 2-drawer file cabinet, but it had a sticker on it that my dad had put on it, and I thought, oh, I just can't get rid of that. When my parents became full-time RVers, they kind of made my house home base. My dad kind of created a little shop here in my garage, and he used that little file cabinet to store his stuff. Well, they moved to South Florida, and he took all of his stuff, and he left that, so I thought, what can I do to keep part of it, the memory part, but not have to keep the rest of it?
So come join us as we show you how we trash the bulk and keep the memories. Since we're setting up a new shop in Mom's garage, we've been doing a lot of moving of our tools. Here I'm packing up our Husky mobile toolbox and loading it with the tools we'll need for this project. We've really been impressed with the ease of use and lightweight of this toolbox. I zipped over to Mom's house and unloaded the tools. I unpacked the tools and quickly opened the Makita battery with our Ryobi shears. This tool cuts through plastic and more with ease. We got the battery charged up, loaded it in our Makita reciprocating saw, and inserted a Diablo metal cutting blade.
Here you can see I'm using the Makita subcompact reciprocating saw. What that means is it has all the power of a full size, but it's able to get into tight spaces and it's much lighter.
Mom really enjoyed using this reciprocating saw, and sadly, she didn't let me do any of the work. Here you can see I'm using the Dremel Multimax to cut off the excess of metal. And there's a lot of ways you can cut metal, but we found that this worked perfectly. I got all the excess metal cut off and made sure I wore my cut-resistant gloves. I was going to file down the edges, but found I could just hammer them down so the cut edges were not exposed. This has experienced a lot of rust over the years, so we used WD-40 to clean it up and protect it from future rust. This part was actually really impressive. The rust just came off with a little bit of scrubbing with a Scotch-Brite pad. Mom reattached the handle, and then we took it to its final location. We put in 2 screws and put it into place.
As you can see, we only kept the front part of the file drawer, and we added a couple of pictures. This one's my dad right here in the garage in his little tiny workspace, and this one right here was taken probably a year ago in his little space that he created in his new home. We thought this was a really creative way to take the memory, but get rid of all the rest of it. And I just want to encourage you to look at your own things that evoke a real strong emotion that you really don't want to get rid of the object, but maybe you don't need to keep the entire object. You can keep part of it and still keep the memory.
If you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at mother-daughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and be alerted to all our new projects. And today we're just doing, was there something over there? Okay.
Oh, there is.
What is that, a wasp?
It's a wasp, yeah.
Get out of our new garage, wasp. Should I get it? He's gonna like
make a home. I don't want him to make his home in here. Okay, bye.